Okay, confession time. We've all been there, right? That little pang of guilt tossing out food scraps. Or maybe it's the sheer dread of opening the kitchen bin after a few days, battling that aroma that lingers. And traditional composting? For most of us in modern homes, it's just not practical. The mess, the critters, the space. That's exactly why I was so keen to try out the Airthereal Revive R800. And honestly, it's been a game changer. Forget those flimsy countertop bins that just hold on to the smell, or the cheap alternatives that promise the world, but just end up breaking down after a few weeks, leaving you with more waste than before. This isn't that. This is the real deal. The Revive R800 transforms up to 5 liters of food waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment in hours, right there in your kitchen. And the best part? Absolutely no smell. Seriously. It uses a smart biodegradable carbon filter, so your kitchen stays fresh. No more trying to mask odors or rushing outside with a dripping bag. It's truly odorless, which for me is non-negotiable. It's got 3 modes: Eco Pre-Compost, IO Compost for the full transformation, and even a self-clean mode. That means zero hassle, zero scrubbing. You just choose your setting, and it does the work. And if you're like me and love to see the data, this thing connects to an app on your phone. You can monitor progress, track your carbon footprint, and honestly, it's super satisfying to watch those numbers improve. Plus, it's quiet. It just hums along in the background. I linked the exact model below to save you from scrolling through dozens of options. Now, is it worth it? Absolutely. Look, you could keep buying those cheap, leaky bins that quickly become an eyesore and a smell sore, or trying to manage outdoor piles that attract pests. Or you can invest in something that actually works, consistently, cleanly, and silently. This isn't just about composting, it's about reclaiming your kitchen, reducing your waste without effort, and truly making a difference. And with a 3-year warranty, you know it's built to last, unlike those quick-to-fail alternatives. It's a Red Dot Award winner for a reason. It's genuinely forward-thinking design. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.